A beautiful morning, dear students. Welcome back to my class today. So, in the last class, we were discussing English literature, lesson 9. The topic of the lesson is Abraham Lincoln. Okay, we had finished the first paragraph of this chapter. So, today we will read from here. Okay, who was Abraham Lincoln? So, Abraham Lincoln was the 16th president of United States of America. Okay, he fought for the essential to Negro freedom, and he brought equality in the nation America. So he was very well known president, and he was one of the three presidents. He ranks among top three presidents. Okay, so he was one of the top three presidents and very well known. Okay, so here we had discussed the practice of employing people from American countries as labor in the fields and homes of white American settlers, and his leadership during the American Civil War has earned him a lasting place in the history of his country. Okay, so what he did was he did not want a person to be worked as a slave. So he wanted to just remove this slavery system, and everyone should have a proper employment or proper job. Okay, they should not depend on others. They are free to live their life according to their choice. So from here we will read today. It was only a small fish, but the boy who was carrying it home for dinner was proud of his catch. For a 4 years old, it was a great feeling to have caught a fish on his own. He looked forward for showing his catch to his mother. As little Abraham walked on the path through the woods around Knob Creek, a man in a soldier's uniform approached him. As he came near the boy, he paused to greet him and inquired, with a kind twinkle in his eyes, "Good day, young man. Did you catch that fine fish all by yourself?" The child nodded, noting the soldier's travel-weary clothes. Okay, so what happened here is, it was only a small fish. So we are talking about Abraham Lincoln here. So one day Abraham Lincoln had caught a fish, and it was very small here. It was very small fish. But the boy who was carrying it home for dinner was proud of his catch. But Abraham Lincoln, he was the boy that we are talking here. So he had caught a fish, and he was taking the fish to his home for dinner, and he was very proud. He was very happy that he is caught a fish. For a 4 years old, and that time Abraham Lincoln was only 4 years old, and it was a great feeling to have caught a fish on his own, and for him it was a very happy moment that he has caught the fish by on his own, means no one has helped him to catch the fish. He has caught the fish by himself. He looked forward for showing his catch to his mother. So what he decided, he wanted to show the fish to his mother and tell her that he had caught the fish by himself. As little Abraham walked on the path through the woods around Knob's Creek. Okay, so after catching the fish, he was returning to his home through the path of woods. It was a jungle route. Okay, it was a lot of bushes were there, jungle was there. Okay, then around Knob Creek, some type of thorns or some type of bushes were there on the road. A man in a soldier's uniform approached him while he was going back to his home. That time on the way there was a man who came closer to him, and he was wearing soldier's uniform. As he came near the boy, he paused to greet him and inquired. So this soldier, he came closer to Abraham Lincoln, and he stopped there. Paused means he stopped there to greet him, to wish him, to say good morning or whatever maybe to wish him. He stopped there and to inquire and to find out and to ask that where he was gone. Then with a kind twinkle in his eyes, then the soldier was very happy. His eyes were twinkling. Then what he said? Good day, young man. Did you catch that fish all by yourself? The soldier is asking. First he greeted the boy. First he greeted to Abraham Lincoln saying good day, as we say like good morning or good afternoon. In the same way, the soldier told to Abraham Lincoln, good day, young man. Did you catch means did you catch this fish by yourself? He asked him. The child nodded, noting the soldier's travel-weary clothes. The child nodded means he put his head up and down means he shook his head, noting the soldier's travel-weary clothes. He saw that the soldier has been traveling for few days. So he was very tired. He just saw that his clothes. Then what happened? So we shall go to the next page. Okay. Looked as if he had been on the road for some days. After a few minutes of conversation, the boy remembered his family's advice to be good to soldiers. Holding out the only thing he had to offer in the nature of a gift, he said, Would you like this fish for your dinner? The soldier, hungry and grateful for the generosity of this small child, accepted the offering with a smile of thanks. So what happened? Abraham Lincoln, the little boy, looked at the soldier. So he is telling that this soldier might have been on the road, means he had been traveling 3 to 4 days back. After few minutes of conversation, then as they were talking, after some time, the boy remembered his family's advice to be good to soldiers. So Abraham Lincoln remembered that in the family, his mother or father, they might have told him that we have to be good to soldiers. We have to be, helping the soldiers, or we have to be good, means we have to behave with them properly. Holding out the only thing he had to offer in the nature of gift, he said. So he wanted to give him some gift. Okay, this Abraham Lincoln wanted to give him some gift, but he did not have anything in his hand. So what he had? Would you like this fish for your dinner? So he is asking to the soldier, will you take this fish for your dinner? The soldier, hungry, grateful for the generosity of the small child. So the soldier was very happy about the child and the child's generosity. The child's heart was very kind. He was very loving. So he was very grateful to him, thankful to him for the small child. Accepted the offering with a smile of thanks. So what did the soldier do? Soldier accepted the fish, means he took the fish with a smile and told Abraham Lincoln thanks. Okay, so this is the next part of this lesson. The final part we will study in the next video. For your homework, you have to read the lesson again. Today also you have to read the lesson again. Okay, so thank you so much and have a beautiful day.